Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience using the tool. Lumen5 is a fantastic platform that streamlines the video creation process, making it incredibly user-friendly, especially for those who might be new to video editing. The interface is intuitively designed, allowing you to effortlessly navigate and utilize its various features. A standout feature of Lumen5 is its impressive library of stock media, including both video clips and images, readily available to enhance your projects. This vast resource significantly simplifies the task of sourcing visuals and can save you a considerable amount of time and effort. Additionally, Lumen5 offers a wide selection of music tracks to complement your videos, giving them a professional and polished feel. One of the aspects I appreciate most about Lumen5 is its intelligent AI. It can analyze text input, such as a blog post or script, and automatically generate a video storyboard based on the content. This is an incredibly useful feature that can drastically speed up the video creation workflow. You can then further customize the storyboard, adjusting the visuals, text overlays, and timings to precisely match your vision. Beyond its core video creation capabilities, Lumen5 provides various options for branding, allowing you to add your logo, choose specific fonts and color palettes, and maintain a consistent brand identity across your videos. Furthermore, Lumen5 offers several convenient export options, making it easy to share your finished videos directly to popular social media platforms or download them for use elsewhere. The platform caters to a range of users, from individuals creating content for personal blogs or social media channels to businesses producing marketing materials and internal communications videos. With its intuitive interface, rich media library, and AI-powered features, Lumen5 empowers anyone to create engaging and professional-looking videos regardless of their prior video editing experience. For those looking to simplify their video production process, Lumen5 is definitely a tool worth exploring. It offers a compelling combination of power and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for both novice and experienced video creators alike. The learning curve is minimal, and you'll be producing high-quality videos in no time. So, give Lumen5 a try and see how it can transform your video creation workflow.